Good morning, y'all. It is Renee and welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, I just woke up. It is now 6:31 in the morning. As y'all can see, I just made me some tea. It's like a detox tea. It's on TikTok. If I can find the link, I'll put it in the description. But I'm here and I'm in the bathroom and I'm about to do my morning skincare routine really quick. For my other morning routine videos, y'all already know I pray every morning before I touch my phone, before I do anything else. But yes, if y'all can't tell by the title of today's video, this is gonna be my That Girl Summer morning routine. Are y'all feeling the curls? They're super cute. Enough rambling, let's get into this morning routine.
Hey, love. Hey, love. Hey, love. I lost you, babe. Picking up a planet with a press on it. It's easier holding you.
Okay, y'all, I just finished brushing my teeth. I'm going in, ready to wash my face with the Twin Ski bar with the oat side first, and then I'm gonna go in with the turmeric side. Okay, so I am about to wash my lashes. Do y'all think lash extensions are worth it, or we just gonna stick to clusters? Like, I don't know, cause I don't want to go get no filling, because it's like I'd rather get a full set every time because the filling is just as much as the full set. To wash my lashes, I use this. I got this off Amazon. You just wet your lashes, wash it with this little tool. Okay, so I did wash my lashes. I'm gonna use this fan on the highest setting, and then I'm just using this spoolie.
Damn jeans, them jeans, they must be uptight, mama. You need some gift by mama. Go Gina, go Gina, go get that gift by mama. Go Gina, go Gina.
Yeah, so I'm all done with my skincare, so I'm ready to get dressed into my gym clothes, and then I'm gonna meet y'all at the gym, okay? Okay, y'all, so I am in the gym. I haven't been in here in about 3 weeks, so I'm taking it slow today. Like, we just go get right into it. I do have on my star patch because, yeah. Gonna lie, y'all, my camera definitely went dead while I was in the gym, but that is okay. I hope I got enough of the footage, but I don't think so. Like, it really went dead basically in the beginning of my workout. But I'm back at home. I'm ready to cook breakfast. I'm cooking eggs, sausage, and some waffles. And I didn't get to watch Baddies yesterday, so I'm gonna watch that too. We just ready to get into breakfast. Wait, y'all. I was saying that I wanted to find me a new book. Like, I need to find me a new book to read because I really like reading. And the last book that I read was this one, The Last Letter. If y'all seen any of my other vlogs and y'all know that I was reading this book, I ended up finishing it like probably like a month ago. And I still can't get over it. I'm still not over how it ended. I want to text the author so bad and tell her to change the ending. Like, it's like it was so many ups and downs in this story. So many ups and downs. It was a happy ending, but it won't. Like, it won't all happy. Like, I can't even tell y'all to go read this book without telling y'all how I feel. Like, I want y'all to know that I did not like the ending. It was a really good book. Like, it will keep you on your toes. If you don't know from my other vlogs, and I usually read like academic or financial self-help books, but this was my first book that I read that it felt like I was watching a show. And like, I just had to keep reading it and keep reading it and keep reading it because I was so interested. And then I got to the motherfucking end and it just broke my heart. Like, this book right here, maybe I'm just a crybaby, but it will make you cry. Like, I was crying throughout this book, and then the ending, it just made me so furious. But whatever, I'm about to get into cooking my breakfast. Yeah, we will get into some other stuff later, but that's for later, okay? I already made the mix. So open but waffles, egg, sausages. I'm ready to eat this and watch this show. Alright y'all, I am ready to start cleaning up this kitchen. I'm just straightening it up a little bit. I'm going to wash these dishes and just sweep the floor and wipe off the counters. The kitchen looks a mess, so we go get right into that. So I did finish cleaning up the kitchen. The last thing that I'm going to do this morning is I'm just going to plan out this video that y'all are seeing right now. Basically, I need to make me a title and I need to format how I want my video to go. I might jot down some video ideas for the rest of the month as well. I do gotta write some things in my calendar, so yeah, that's what we're ready to get into right now. Okay, love, that is it for my Dat Girl summer morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and watch my latest video, which was a summer diaries vlog. I went to New York City on a road trip. I went on a picnic and I went to a pool party. So I love y'all so much. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.